Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the Rotary Encoder module known as KY-040. This is the module itself, so let's get started.
Today's video is brought to you by ORGVSM, an online store where you can find shirts, jeans and cool accessories that fit your needs. All the products are made in Italy. They can be shipped worldwide, so don't waste your time. Start looking fancy today with their style. For more information, go to orgvsmshop.net or check it out at the link on the video description.
This module has integrated on board one rotary encoder and two resistors, resistor R2 and resistor R3, which are both of them 10 kilo ohm. The main reason for using the resistors is to limit current circulating inside the module, in other words, to prevent current from burning our module. Now I will show how these components are connected together. There we have the rotary encoder itself, and of course the resistor R2 and the resistor R3. On the right you can see how the pins of the module are connected on this board. We have in black the flow of the ground, we have in red the flow of the voltage, we have in light green the flow of the signal from the button, we have in green the flow of the signal from the first switch, and we have in blue the digital signal from the second switch. The rotary encoder on this module can be rotated clockwise and counterclockwise without any limitations. On every rotation, this module gives a signal which we can use it to find out the orientation of the rotation. This module has also a button which we can change its state by pressing the handle of the rotary encoder down. We can even get the signal from the button, which it is mostly programmed to reset the rotation count down to 0.
Let's talk about the pins. The pins in this module are 5. We have the ground pin with a G&D sign, the voltage pin with a plus sign, and of course we have 3 signal pins named SW, DT and CLK. So let's talk about the signal. This module gives 3 digital signals, so we can connect the pin of the signal with any digital port of different microcontroller boards like Arduino or Raspberry Pi.
That's it guys for today. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you want more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button with the bell icon so you'll be notified for every video. We upload new videos every day, so the only chance to see them first is of course through subscription. Don't forget to check our social media and see you guys next time.